Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of credit card on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings, this first page of settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app, and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone, so please don't forget